Cancer prevention, foods that fight cancer. Hi, I'm Dr. James Meschino. You know, the National Cancer Institute has shown us that 70 to 90% of all cancers are caused by faulty dietary and lifestyle practices. In fact, 35% of cancer alone is attributable to faulty dietary behaviors. Now, in North America, we have a very cancer-promoting diet. That's why we have such high rates of certain cancers like breast cancer and prostate cancer, colon cancer, and some other cancers which are much higher than you see in other countries. So what are the cancer-promoting effects of the North American diet or the Western diet? Number one, we eat too much high animal fat food, loaded with saturated fat and cholesterol. These types of fats cause our cells to divide at a faster rate. When cells divide too fast, they make more genetic mistakes that lead to cancerous mutations, more tumors. Now, the one exception would be fish. It's higher in omega-3 fats, but omega-3 fats actually slow down the rate of cell division. Then we have vegetable oils that are the wrong ones. Corn oil, sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil, mixed vegetable oils. They have essential fats that the body converts into these prostaglandin hormones that also cause cells to divide too fast, more genetic mistakes, more cancerous mutations, more malignancies. And we'd be better off to use the more monounsaturated fats from olive oil. You probably have heard that before. Then we eat trans fats and deep fried foods, all these hydrogenated fats and shortenings and so on. These things also disturb the prostaglandin pathway. We end up with cells that are dividing too quickly, more genetic mistakes, bigger problems. Then we have simple sugars in the diet. We have too much. You can have some, but you can't overdo it because it'll raise your blood sugar level. And when your fasting blood sugar level is above 5 millimoles per liter or 90 milligrams per deciliter, that's when trouble begins. Because you raise insulin levels cause cells to divide too quickly, you form more genetic mistakes, it's more cancers that form, and then the cancer cells feed off the glucose or the blood sugar for their cell division. So it's a double whammy. You need to have a fasting blood sugar below 5 millimoles per liter, below 90 milligrams per deciliter. And then alcohol consumption. Do you know that after cigarette smoking, alcohol is the second most important cause of cancer that we have from the environment? And that's a proven fact. I'm not making that up. So people that are averaging 2 alcoholic drinks a day on average or more double the risk for breast cancer, colon cancer, even fewer drinks than that, breast cancer, prostate cancer in men. Alcohol has many cancer-promoting properties, and so it's one we have to try to avoid. Being overweight alone increases the release of certain estrogen hormones that are linked to reproductive hormone cancers like breast cancer, uterine cancer, even prostate cancer in men. So people who are overweight have a higher risk of certain cancers, well documented. And then we have insufficient protective nutrients. There's so many nutrients, particularly from plant-based foods, that can help detoxify carcinogens, act as antioxidants, block the formation of blood vessels around tumors that are starting to form so they can't get the traction they need. These nutrients can also slow down the rate at which cells divide. They can help cells fully mature. The more mature the cell is, the less prone it is to becoming cancerous. And certain nutrients can modulate the immune system. If a cancer cell is forming, the immune cells can get there and knock that cell out before any tumor can form. Or if you have small little colonies, the immune cells can come and knock it out. If you deprive it of blood vessels, and you also get the immune system into the fight. And there's other effects you can get from eating healthier foods as well that are highly protective against cancer. So what I suggest you do is click on the link below, read my review article on foods that fight cancer. It explains exactly how they do it and which foods to eat every single day. This strategy might help to reduce your risk of cancer by at least 35 or roughly 35%. Now, at Meschinohealth.com, you'll see my other review papers and teaching materials, footage from my live seminars, other resources and downloads that I've created to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. My research, review papers, and teaching materials are complete with all the scientific references, so you'll see you're getting sound scientific information from me. You should really make Meschinohealth.com an ongoing, reliable resource for health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.